Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open the Promark GPS Shadow Drone. Here's the box. Has a lot of features in it. Connects to the GPS on your telephone. So if you go out of range, it automatically comes back. Has auto launch, auto land, headless flying. It'll do tricks. Here's the open box. Whoops, upside down. Let's turn it over. Here we go. Here is the drone. You see, it's pretty good size. Built-in camera on it also. See the camera underneath it there? You'll have control over that too. Here's your transmitter. Oops, upside down, isn't it? Oh well. There's extra parts. There's extra landing gear. There's protectors for the propellers also. Here is some goggles. You can use your phone and watch it fly while you're wearing the goggles. I haven't tried that. Here's your instruction manual. Tells you how to fly it and all. Extra propellers. I'll probably need those. There's your battery. The on-off switch right there. Here's your transmitter. There's your on-off button. That's raise it, lower, high, spin to the left, spin to the right, forward, backwards, go to the right, go to the left. Here's your auto launch button. Press that, it'll launch and hover for you. Press it again, it'll land. And there's your home button. Alright, let's do a little flying here. First we got to calibrate the GPS with the phone and all. Turn on the transmitter and the drone. Connect the Wi-Fi on our phone and connect it to the drone. Now let's calibrate GPS. Pick it up, hold it level, turn a complete circle, and set it down. Give it a couple seconds. Pick it up again, face down this time. Another complete circle. Set it down. Now you've calibrated the GPS. We've got the app on. Look at it, see it's calibrated. I think it is. Take the left joystick, go up and down, back to the center. Watch it, you'll see the lights stop flashing and go solid. And you're ready to fly. Here's your app. You see the camera's on and it's streaming. Just show you around the room and the house here. There, see it says ready to fly in the bottom left corner? We're ready to go. Let's fly it. Press the auto launch button right there. It will launch itself and hover for you. Here we go. There it goes. So you turn on, it launches, then you can take over and fly it. See, it comes up in the air and hovers. Now this is my first flight, so I'm not going to get real fancy here. Hovering a little bit. Move it a few different directions. There we go. This is pretty good. I like this. It's easier to fly than those small ones. Turn on the camera. See, that rotates the camera up and down. First button there is photographs. That's your video camera. I'm going to turn it on for video. And there's your video we're capturing. That's my tractor in the background. There, starting. Lifts up. Alright. Pretty nice little video, isn't it? Here we are flying it again. Press that home button and it'll bring it back to where it launched from. We'll try that here in just a second. Like we're landing it. Press that launch button again, it lands it for you. See how gently it lands it? I'm not quite that good myself, so when it lands, it shuts the motors off. There you are. A lot of fun. If you like flying, this is an easy one and lots of things with it. See you next time.